Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Claude app not opening issue on iPhone. So if the Claude app keeps crashing, gets stuck loading or won't open on your iPhone, just follow these quick fixes. First, you need to check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. If the connection seems unstable, try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data and then try opening the app again. Next, completely close the Claude app and reopen it. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and remove the app from the recent apps. Then open the app again and try to check if the issue is fixed. You should also check if the Claude app needs an update. For that, you need to open App Store, search for Claude, and tap the update button if it appears. After that, try reinstalling the Claude app. For that, you need to press and hold the Claude app icon. Tap on remove app and then press delete app. Then reinstall it from the App Store again and try opening the app again. If these steps still does not help, you should try restarting your iPhone. For that, you need to press and hold the power button and the volume button together until the power sliders appear. And then you need to wait a few seconds and then turn it back on. If the issue still continues, make sure your iPhone software is up to date. Lastly, the issue could be from Claude's server. If the servers are down or under maintenance, the app may not open properly for some time. So those were some easy ways to fix the Claude app not opening issue on iPhone. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.